Okay, hello Mr. Rahman. My name is Candy, but you can also call me Jolai. And tonight I would like to share a personal story about me in English. English has been a part of my life for many years, and in this video I want to tell you how I start learning English, the challenge is faced, the ways I try to improve in eh, and why English is very important for my future. Okay, let's go. My first experience with English. Uh, when I was a child, English felt like a very difficult subject. I only knew a few simple words like cat, dog, or red and blue. I still remember my first English lesson at school. At that time, I was nervous because I couldn't understand what the teacher was saying, but I was also curious, wanted to know how to say more things in English slowly. I learned basic greeting like good morning, how are you, thank you, even thought the were simple. I felt proud of myself. Since then, since then, I realized that learning English is like building a house. We must start with small brick, and step by step we can make it stronger and bigger. Okay, next challenge in learning English. Of course, learning English is not always easy. One of my biggest challenges is pronunciation. Sometimes English words are not pronounced the same way as they are written. For example, the word "enough", "thought", and "throat" are very confusing. Another challenge is confidence. Many times I was afraid to speak English in front of my friend because I worried they might like if I made it mistake. I also struggled with grammar, tense, like past perfect or future continuous, where sometimes but to remember, but then I start to understand that making mistake is normal. Nobody is perfect, and even native speaker can make mistake. Yeah. Yes. Okay, next. How I learn English. Okay. I use many ways to practice English outside the classroom. Music, I love listening to English. Radiohead song is very good. For example, when I listen to my favorite singer, I read to lyric and try to sing along. This helped me improve my pronunciation and vocabulary. Movies and sharing, watching English movies with subtitle is one of my favorite ways I learn new expression, slang, and natural conversation that are not in textbooks. Let's go. Social media. Nowadays, social media is full of English content on TikTok, YouTube. I watching to Mr. Beast. This content so is good for me. Uh, I know that teach English in fun ways with the method. English is no longer boring. It has become sometimes I enjoy every day. Okay, next, English in my English in my daily life. Okay, English has already become part of my daily routine. When I use my phone, most of the apps are English. When search on Google, many of the answers are also in English. I also use English when playing online game, Valorant, since most of the interaction and chat are in English. Sometimes I meet for foreigners while working in the apartment and we communication in English. This make me realize that English is truly an international language. It's connect people even if they come from different culture and background. Yeah. Okay, next. Why English is important for me? Okay. For me, English is like a key that can open many doors. If I can speak English well, I can continue my studies abroad, travel around the world, win more confidence, make international friends, and prepare for a better career in the future. I know that many job opportunities requires good English skill. That's why I really want to improve myself. Yeah, gitu. Okay, let's go. My goals with English in the future. In the future, I have big dream. I want to use English not only at school, but also in my professional life. I hope to attend international conferencing or even work abroad. I also want to read article or create content in English so people from different countries can read or watch them. Sharing my ideas. What the world is only possible if I use a language that many people I understand. At then language is English. Okay. Yeah. Let's go next. Motivation for myself and other for me. Sometimes I feel tired or lazy to study, but then I remind myself if you stop learning now, you will regret it later. That's why I keep pushing myself. I also want to motivation my friend. Don't be afraid of English. Don't be shy to speak. Remember, every expert was once a beginner. If we keep practicing, one day we will be fluent. Let's go. Closing. So that my story about me and English. Yeah, it's not just a school journey that I will continue throughout my life. Thank you very much for listening to my video. I hope my story can inspire you to keep learning and never give up. Let's go. Never give up. Dadah.